Just got this in. So this is the WPL C-24 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive off-road truck. Before I go any further into this review, I have to say that I am a drone guy and I don't have that many RC cars. So this review is going to be conducted from a very different kind of perspective. The thing to understand about this truck is that this is a modeler's truck. This truck is best purchased as a kit, where you put all the parts together yourself. Now, the version that I have is the ready-to-ride version. It comes with a little controller here, and it also comes with an ESC and a brushed motor system, and it doesn't have proportional steering or anything like that. But this is basically a very bare bones kind of setup, and it really doesn't have that much power, and you'll see that later on when I take it out for a drive. But at heart, the WPL-C 24 is supposed to be a kit. You're supposed to take this, build it, put your own powerful motors, put your own maybe metal pieces in here, metal, see, I don't even know all the terminology, you know, better shocks, all those sorts of things like that. So buying the ready-to-ride version is probably not the best option unless you're a kid, unless you may be working with a kid, because the ready-to-ride version pretty much comes all set up except for the little details like this. Okay, you don't have this top set up with the little glass in the back. All the little stickers need to be put on it. All these little pieces here, the wipers, all this stuff. So, you know, maybe if you're buying this truck to do a build with your kid, then this ready-to-ride version is not so bad. Or maybe you just want this truck because you think it looks cool and you want to be able to put it on your shelf. Because there are a lot of people that love to collect these trucks. They love the design. They'll remove this WPL-C sticker and they'll put like something more branded on there, like Toyota, for example. So, you know, some people just love the look of these trucks. The ready-to-ride version really has no power, like, at all. And this transmitter itself is not very impressive. That's just something to understand looking at this truck. Otherwise, though, it's a very beautiful little truck, as you can see. Really, really beautiful. This is fully moddable. You can make this thing as cheap or as expensive as you want it. There are some people out there doing some pretty amazing mods. So today I'm just going to review this ready-to-ride version, and I'm going to get it out there so you can see just what are the capabilities of this. So for starters, in the back here, this is where the battery is. We've got ourselves a 700 milliamp hour 6-volt NiCad battery, NICD battery. And I'm gonna put the top on. That's how you get to the battery. All right, so here we go. We're just gonna try to drive around here a little bit. I mean, that is the extent of the power of this thing. That's about as fast as it goes. It's all right on ground like this, but oh, look, see how it kind of, you see, even struggles just to go through that little grass there. Like I said, it's got no oomph to it. I just got stuck over there in the grass. Yeah, I literally can't get out of the grass here because the ready-to-ride version is just not very good. So let's try the range here. Okay, we're sure the range is not very good either. That's it. That's your range. You're not gonna go any farther than that. Oh wait, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's about it. Right there. Obviously, that's not very far at all. Oh, I guess I'm coming in and out. Let me get a little closer so I can get the car back. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. As it is in its current form, it's better to just sit on the freaking shelf. Or maybe if you have, like I said, a little kid who you want to do a build with, that's who this ready to ride version is really best for. Because it just, there's really nothing more to show you here about this thing. And you see, once again, I'm stuck here. All right, so that's it, guys. That's a quick look at the WPL-C 24. I took this out of the box. I tried to drive it, and I was like, this is terrible. I'm like, this is awful. Why would anyone want this? But this is a modeler's car, okay? Once again, it's a car to build something really cool with. For now, as it is, it's going to go on my shelf until one day I feel like maybe taking this thing out and doing some modding myself to it. Anyway, so if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you know where that button is. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day, guys.